Cigars, my friends, are not like cigarettes that you smoke every day. Cigars are for a special moment, with a bottle of rum, talking with the friends, enjoying, relaxing. So they are expensive and you need time to smoke. So only politicians and rich people, they smoke them because they have time and money. You understand? The normal people, special moments. Look, this is the nicotine in the stem, leaf by leaf, one by one. We'll remove it like this. Look. Every cigar is rolled like this, my friend, handmade. Something that is also has to do with how expensive they are, because it's handmade.
U suštini on sad to što seče jeste poslednji list kojim će obmotati cigaru.
There are 3 parts to make a cigar, right? 3 parts. One is called filler, binder, and wrapper. Filler, binder, and wrapper. Everything is tobacco leaf, right? Filler to balance the cigar inside. Binder to keep the filler together. And the wrapper, that is a very elastic leaf, just for the good looking, for the outside of a cigar. In government factories, they iron it to make them look real. Here, we do it with the hands. I'm very good with my hands, by the way. Look, honey as a glue, a little bit here. Organic, everything. Done.
Bravo.
Bravo!
Bravo. Excellent.